My name is Joep van Bokstel. I'm General Manager of Books4You. It's located in the Netherlands. And we are a book producing firm. And we are working with about 10 employees. And I'm doing this for about 25 years now. We first connected with RISO in 2016 because a sales rep was visiting our area. And he came by and we got good conversation, and that's why we connected with RISO. We have two RISO GD 9630 systems with a big capacity feeder and a big capacity stacker. And we're using them for about 6 years now. Our RISO systems are installed in our production site downstairs. The kind of documents we print are mainly contents of books and exercise books, questionnaires, writing paper or writing blocks. That's about 95% of our production volume. Our production volume is about 100,000 prints per week on our RISO systems. About 5 or 6 million a year. We have chosen for the RISO product mainly about environmental pluses. We were looking for Inkjet solution. We were looking for an environmental friendly solution, and we were looking for a budget friendly solution. And for the product we make, especially student material, is ideal to print on RISO product because it can only be printed on writable paper, and the quality is good enough for students. Our production is used to produce within 48 hours, so all our orders which we receive had to be produced within 48 hours. So we need reliable material. RISO can take up to that promise that they are reliable and fast to use. With the energy crisis we experience nowadays, it's only an extra plus that RISO has a low energy use, besides the environmental quality of the inks which are used. We did a benchmark about 5 or 6 years ago, and we discovered that the energy use of the RISO was significantly lower than with laser products, about 85 to 90% lower than laser printers. We have more service on the laser copies, yes, than on the RISO, that's for sure. A big advantage for RISO products are the low service intervals. We can produce a lot of copies between the service intervals, and normally we see the service engineer a few times a year, not more. And we are very pleased with the production results of the RISOs.